Want to explore the moon, planets, and distant stars without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down 7 affordable professional telescopes for different needs and budgets. Updated purchase links are in the description. At number 7, we have the Astronomy Smart Telescope, a very interesting choice for beginners who want to explore the night sky without dealing with a complicated traditional setup. Instead of constantly adjusting focus or trying to position a phone over the eyepiece, this model combines autofocus, a built-in viewing screen, and a 4K camera, making it much easier to observe and record what you see. Its 80mm aperture is designed to collect enough light for bright views of the moon and other distant subjects, while the digital magnification can reach up to 350 times. What really makes it convenient, though, is the foldable external screen. Several people can watch at the same time, which is perfect for families, small groups, or anyone who finds standard eyepieces uncomfortable. You can switch between photo and video modes with one button, save your recordings directly to a memory card, and use up to 512 gigabytes of external storage. The built-in 4,500 mAh battery provides up to 6 hours of use, so it is practical for longer evenings outdoors. It also includes a compact tripod and carrying bag, making transportation much simpler. At around $250, it is not the cheapest option here, but its all-in-one digital design earns its 7th place for buyers who value convenience, recording features, and an easier learning curve. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Moving up to number 6, we find the HugerStar 90800, a traditional refractor telescope that gives beginners plenty of room to grow without pushing the price too far. Its 90mm aperture gathers more light than many entry-level models, helping the moon look brighter and more detailed while also making planets and distant daytime subjects easier to observe. The 800mm focal length provides a useful balance between magnification and image control, so you can explore without every small movement sending your target out of view. 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens offer magnification from 32 to 240 times, letting you begin with a wide view and gradually move closer once the object is centered. A 5x24 finder scope also makes locating targets less frustrating, which matters when you are still learning the sky. The adjustable stainless steel tripod supports users of different heights, while the Altazimuth mount keeps movement simple and intuitive. HugerStar also includes a moon filter to reduce uncomfortable glare, plus a smartphone adapter for capturing photos you can share afterward. Assembly requires no tools, and the supplied carrying bag makes storage or weekend travel more manageable. At around $170, it offers a strong mix of optical performance, useful accessories, and beginner-friendly operation, earning 6th place as a sensible choice for anyone wanting a more classic hands-on astronomy experience. Taking the 5th spot is the MESA 150EQ, a reflector telescope built for anyone ready to move beyond basic lunar viewing and start exploring fainter objects in the night sky. The real advantage here is its large 150mm aperture, which gathers considerably more light than smaller beginner telescopes. In practical terms, that means brighter views, better detail, and more opportunities to observe planets, star clusters, and selected deep sky objects from a suitably dark location. Its 650mm focal length keeps the tube relatively manageable while providing a useful field of view for learning astronomy. You receive 25 and 10mm eyepieces, along with a 2x Barlow lens, creating a magnification range from 26 to 130 times. That may sound less dramatic than some inflated numbers, but it is a more realistic range for clear, usable observation. The German equatorial mount is another important upgrade, allowing smoother manual tracking as objects move across the sky. It takes longer to learn than a simple up and down mount, but the extra control is worthwhile once you understand it. A red dot finder helps with targeting, while the moon filter, phone adapter, adjustable steel tripod, accessory tray, and large carrying bag complete the package. At around $330, this is a more serious investment, but its strong light gathering ability and capable mount earn it 5th place for beginners who want a telescope they will not quickly outgrow. Coming in at number 4 is the Hawco 90900, a well-rounded refractor that suits beginners who want sharper lunar views without stepping into a complicated setup. Its 90mm aperture brings in enough light to reveal craters, mountain shadows, and brighter planetary details, while the 900mm focal length helps produce a steadier, more controlled image at higher magnification. That makes it especially useful for observing the moon, Jupiter, Saturn, or even distant landscapes during the day. The included 25 and 10mm eyepieces combined with the 3x Barlow lens provide a range from 36 to 270 times. Although the clearest results will usually come from using moderate power when the atmosphere is calm, navigation is straightforward thanks to the finder scope and simple altazimuth mount, which moves naturally from side to side and up or down. The stainless steel tripod adjusts between 28 and 46 inches, so both adults and younger users can find a comfortable viewing height. There is also a smartphone adapter for taking basic photos and videos, plus a diagonal mirror, accessory tray, and carrying bag. Setup is designed to be quick, though fine focusing still requires a patient hand. Priced at around $240, the Hawko earns 4th place by balancing useful magnification, practical accessories, and beginner-friendly handling in one complete package. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. At number 3, we have the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT80AZ, a telescope designed for people who love the idea of astronomy, but do not want to spend half the night searching for something to observe. Its biggest advantage is the StarSense Explorer system, which uses your smartphone and the companion app to analyze the sky above you. After a quick setup, arrows on the screen guide you toward visible planets, stars, clusters, and brighter deep sky objects, making the experience far less frustrating for a beginner. The 80mm refractor provides crisp views of the Moon and can also show highlights such as Jupiter, Saturn, the Orion Nebula, and the Andromeda Galaxy under suitable conditions. Once you reach a target, the manual altazimuth mount feels intuitive, while the slow-motion altitude adjustment helps you make smaller corrections without constantly losing the object. The package includes 25 and 10mm eyepieces, a red dot finder, a smartphone dock, a 2x Barlow lens, and an adjustable tripod, so there is very little you need to purchase separately. It is still manually operated, and the app guides rather than moves the telescope for you. But that also keeps the process engaging. At roughly $230, this earns 3rd place because it removes one of astronomy's biggest barriers, knowing where to point the telescope. In 2nd place, the Celestron NexStar 8 SE is for anyone who wants a serious telescope that can locate and track objects with far less guesswork. Its 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optical system gathers a substantial amount of light, giving you detailed views of the Moon and planets while also opening the door to galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters under darker skies. The compact tube is easier to store than many telescopes with a similar aperture, so you get strong performance without needing a permanent observatory in the backyard. What really changes the experience is the computerized go-to mount. After alignment, the hand controller can automatically point the telescope toward thousands of celestial objects and keep following them as the Earth rotates. That means more time observing and less time trying to relocate something that has drifted away. The included 25mm eyepiece is useful for getting started, while the red dot finder helps during setup, although most owners will eventually want additional eyepieces and a reliable external power supply. There is also a learning curve with alignment, so this is better suited to committed beginners and experienced hobbyists than someone looking for a quick, lightweight grab-and-go model. At around $1,499, it is easily one of the biggest investments in this ranking, but it earns the number 2 position by combining excellent light gathering, automated navigation, and a compact design that can support years of more advanced observing. And taking the number 1 spot is the Giskeyer 70400, a practical travel telescope that makes astronomy feel approachable from the very first night. This is the option I would recommend to families, younger beginners, or anyone who wants to enjoy the Moon and brighter celestial objects without paying for advanced features they may never use. Its 70mm aperture and fully coated optics provide bright, clear views for casual stargazing, while the compact 400mm focal length gives you a wider field of view that makes finding targets much easier. You get 2 interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, so you can begin with a comfortable overview before moving in for a closer look at lunar craters or distant scenery. The 5x24 finder scope helps you line everything up, and the simple altazimuth mount feels natural because it moves exactly where you point it. One of the most enjoyable additions is the smartphone adapter with wireless remote, letting you capture photos without touching the phone and shaking the image at the wrong moment. The adjustable aluminum tripod and included carrying bag also make it easy to take on vacations, camping trips, or evenings away from city lights. It is not designed for advanced deep sky photography, but that is not its purpose. Giscire earns first place because it offers the most accessible combination of simplicity, portability, useful accessories, and everyday value for new stargazers.